my channel, you guys. So we are going to be doing a house tour today, and it is fully furnished. I am finally done. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I've been uploading my progress of moving into this space, and I am finally done decorating and getting pretty much everything that I need and want in here. So let's get started with the tour. So to start off, we have up here, I decided to put all of like my wine up there, and then we decided to put a picture just to kind of fill in the space. Then along here, I decided to put my, what do you call this thing? Toaster oven right here. It fits perfectly because it didn't really fit in one of the cabinets. So we just kind of have it decked out up here, and you guys know I had trouble decorating this area. So this is what we decided. Got my little coffee pot up here, and this is by far my favorite thing probably in my entire apartment. I absolutely love this, and before y'all say anything, this is a fake plant, so it will not harm my kitty at all. All the plants in my house are all fake because I didn't want to risk harming him. And then over here, I'm very, very proud of this side. I love the way that it turned out. So I just have a lot of like wooden and white kind of decorative things I wanted to do throughout my house. So I have some cutting boards, some candles, a white knife set. You guys, that is amazing. And up here I have just like a little bit of, I guess they're kind of like cookie jars, but I have like sugar in them. And then I have like these little cute little wooden spoons that go inside, which is so freaking cute. But I have sugar, coffee, and then I have some like little lemonade packets with caffeine, because you guys know that I need my caffeine, and then just like a little sugar bowl with just whatever kind of candy I want to put in it, the microwave, and then down here I just kind of have my pots and pans and stuff, which I do want to show you guys. This drawer has all of my pretty much like, what do you call these, like utensils and stuff, where it's like the kitchen scissors, the can opener, and like a whisk and like measuring cups. So I got all this, and I got it all the same color beige, which is so pretty. I really wanted to color coordinate in my house. So that is this area. Then moving over here, we have like a little bar area where I love to eat breakfast and stuff, but this is mostly where my cat likes to lay. I have some bar stools that are just little saddle stools that I put together, and they came out pretty cute. I really like it. And then we have my electric trash can right here, which you guys know how much trouble I had with my trash can. But it finally came in, and it has been amazing. Definitely worth the wait. Next, we have this little corner area over here, which I am absolutely obsessed with. So we have this little cat bed that I got from Ross, which is actually a gift from my parents, kind of like a little housewarming gift. And I added this to it because he loves playing with like little toys and stuff. Oh, you can come and play with it? See, he just loves this so much, and I am so, you're so cute. I'm so very happy that he loves it, because for a while there, he was trying to get on my couch and get on my bed and just get on everywhere else. And I was like, no, you need a little place of your own. So I got him that. Up here, I'm not really completely sold on this, but I got this fake plant to kind of fill in the empty space. I got some smelly goods, ocean scent, obviously, and then some candles and stuff. Just a little decor. Then right here, I am obsessed with this. Like, this is just so stinking cute. But I got plant, mirror, pot, and whatever you call this, this type of chair cushion thingy, whatever. I got all this from Target. Oh, I forgot, I've been forgetting to mention where I got everything. Basically, everything in my house I got from Ross, Target, Walmart, the Dollar General, and Amazon. I can't remember what everything was from. If you want to know, just comment down below, and I will try to remember where I got these things so I can let you guys know that. But I know this section, all this, was from Target. Next, moving on to one of my most amazing spots in the entire house, like probably my most favorite, my couch. I'm obsessed with my couch. Okay, so as you can see, it's a white couch, and I absolutely love it. And I got some pillows to match. I'm pretty sure I got the majority of these from Walmart and the Dollar General. And then I got this little blanket, which my sister gave me. I don't know where she got it from, but it just really pulls it all together. And I got this rug, which is so soft and cozy. I got that from Walmart. And then my coffee table, y'all. My coffee table I'm obsessed with, and it has drawers on both sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is perfect, and it's a little, what do you call this? Floating. So it's like a little floating coffee table, so I absolutely love the vibe that it is giving. And then I just added a little, what is this, like a table tray or something, with some candles and some cup holders, and to hold my remote control for my TV. And that's our next area, my big old TV over here. Okay, so I am obsessed with this. This is like a 65-inch, and I am just blown away, y'all. I love my TV. And then I have my dresser right here, which has pretty much just junk in it, just my own junk, just hiding place. And up here I have a little bowl of candy. And then I thought of this where you take the candy, open it up, and you put your trash in here. That way you don't have to worry about going to the trash can every time. You just put your trash in there once this is full and throw it away. And it's been working so far, so it works. Next we have my office area. I love this, like pretty much everything in here, I absolutely love. So I put together my little office chair, which I am in love with. I adore it. It's so very comfortable. And my desk, like you guys know, whatever, you do desk work and stuff. But I put a candle on this side, and then I got this snake plant from Target. Again, it is fake, and it's a good thing that I got a fake one because Aspen, my cat, loves to chew on this one particularly. Then I just got a little lamp for whenever I'm working late, and it is just amazing. I love this space. And in the windows, I have a plant here and a plant over there. And I got these again from Target. I think they were like $5 each, but I think it just kind of helps pull a little more greenery throughout the house, which I'm obsessed with. And again, fake. Then we have this section right here, which I have a lot of my coats that I just pretty much grab and go. And if I want to feel a little fancy or whatever, I just kind of grab these. Plus I like to color coordinate. So I got all these colors right here. And right here, I'm not completely sold on the way that I decorated it. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. But pretty much all this was either things that I saved from my childhood. Like I know this cross I saved from whenever I was little until I moved out. So I finally get to put that. My picture frame, I got a little plant up here, some books, so that, you know, just a little bit of decoration over here. Then we move on to the bathroom. Nothing pretty much changed in here. It's all the same. I still got my makeup. I did add some drawers right here, which is kind of like my hair stuff, my face wash, and, you know, lady things. And then down there is still my cat litter box. I'm not going to show y'all because it is disgusting. I need to clean it. But then over here, I have some robes that I decided to hang up along with a towel. And then my shower is still the same. So not too much to show here, but I am so excited about my closet. Y'all gotta come in here. So first off, this is where my cat likes to sleep. And it also is kind of like my storage space, so I have a little bit of storage over there. But anyways, this is where my cat likes to sleep and play. So he has a nice little mat and a nice little cozy bed. And then over here, I just have all of my clothes that are more colorful. And then all of my pants and stuff, everything nice and organized with all of my shoes down there. But my favorite part is this right here. So I have my necklaces. Oh, I'm actually wearing one right now, so that's why that one's missing. But anyways, I have my necklaces and then my belts right here, which I'm just absolutely obsessed with. And then we have my beige and white section, which is what I'm trying like hard to wear a lot more of because I love these colors. It just looks nice and clean. Then we have my little corner section right here, which I think is absolutely adorable. I'm still trying to like figure out the way I want to decorate it, but I have some hair stuff right here, my extra purse, and then some perfume with, of course, my little diamond. But yep, and then lastly, we have my bedroom, which it's not the cleanest because this is kind of considered my storage space, but I still have my bed over here with my piano up here now so that I can actually enjoy just spending time in here and playing some music because I've been not playing music that much. And then I have just my little area up here with just some sunglasses. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's nothing too crazy. So now we're just gonna head back this way. And that is pretty much it for my little house tour. It's just a nice little cozy studio apartment, and I am just obsessed with the way that it turned out. Leave a comment down below on what you guys think. Is there like anything that y'all think I should change it up? Or do y'all have like any decorating ideas? Please leave a comment down below. Help your girl out. I desperately need help. But I'm obsessed with the way that it turned out though. I am very proud of myself, especially because I built pretty much everything that is in here all by myself. And I did have a little bit of help with like the heavy stuff, but anyways. All right, so let's thank my beautiful sister, Braylon, for doing the recording for me. Thank you so much. She's absolutely amazing. I really appreciate you doing this for me. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye, guys.